Guys, in today's video I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube. I'm going to be trying to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now, I can't solve a Rubik's Cube, but I'm going to try my best. So 3, 2, 1, go. Solve the second layer. I'll try solving the rest. Now I'm using the CFOP method. It's not the best, well, it is one of the best beginner methods. I'm using the beginner method. Another method is the cube sequence method, which now some people use a method called the memory method, which are for people with really good memories. And those people, they can memorize the scrambles. If they look at the scrambles, they can do it because they have good memories. If I learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube like very good, then I probably would teach you guys how to solve it. Because I have twisted the corners on accident because I was going way too fast with the cube. As you can see, I solved both these, and then now I'm gonna have to go like this. I'm gonna do it ready. There you go. I solved it. Yes! Just joking, guys. So what I did was, I fixed the corner pieces and I twisted them. Sorry, guys. Now, admit this. This is only 50% cheating. Why? Because I admitted that I twisted a corner. I admitted that. And a cheater wouldn't admit their cheats. They did. Well, I admitted it. So I didn't solve the Rubik's Cube, I just twisted the corners. That is cheating, but at the same time, I did twist some corners before. So it's kind of cheating. It's half cheating and it's half not cheating. Bye, guys.